Let's divide 404 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a super fun math adventure. Ready to divide 404 by 2, let's start with the first digit 4. We bring down the first digit 4, our first partial is 4. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It's 2. 2 times 2 is 4, write that down. 4 minus 4 leaves us with 0, no remainder here. Awesome start, you're doing great. Now let's move to the next digit in 404. Next up is the digit 0, let's see what happens. We bring down the 0 next to our remainder 0. Our new partial is 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? Exactly 0 times. 0 times 2 is 0, easy peasy. 0 minus 0 is 0, still no remainder. You're crushing it, keep that positive energy going. One more digit to go in 404. Last but not least, we bring down the final digit 4. We bring down the 4 next to our remainder 0. Our final partial is 4. How many times does 2 fit into 4? You guessed it, it's 2. 2 times 2 is 4, we're almost done. 4 minus 4 equals 0, we have no remainder. Fantastic work, you solved it. We've divided all the digits, look at that amazing result. So 404 divided by 2 is 202. Great job, everyone, we learned how to tackle long division step by step. Remember, even big numbers become simple with a plan. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more awesome math videos on Let's Stud.